Hey everybody, welcome back to another affiliate marketing episode where I reveal the best offers for you to promote right now that are crushing it in the affiliate marketing space. Affiliate marketing is the best way I know to get started making money online because you don't need to create your own products. You don't have to handle any shipping. You don't have to do any customer service or even build a website. There are so many great products already out there that are willing to pay you just to promote them. And today I'm going to show you how to promote products in something called the manifestation niche. And look, whether you believe in manifesting your reality or not, you can make great money promoting these products in this niche for those who love to explore the power of manifestation. And remember, you don't need to be an expert or even create your own course. There are dozens of courses that you can use to promote and make money from. And that is the power of affiliate marketing. And stick around until the end because I'm not only going to show you how to make some quick money in this method, but how to potentially turn this strategy into a full-time income. But first, if you're new to this channel, thanks for stopping by. Do me a quick favor and hit the subscribe button below this video. This will guarantee that you don't miss out on any videos I create in the future. And while you're here, hit that like button as well. All right, let's get into it. Like I said earlier, we're going to be in the manifestation niche. And the first step in this whole process is finding a product in that niche to promote. So I went through ClickBank and I found one of the highest performing manifestation products on the market right now, and it's called Midas. Now, the average commission on Midas right now is $45, which means if you just sell a few of them a day, you could easily make several thousand every single month from a product you didn't create, didn't have to build a website for, and don't even have to ship. That's why I love affiliate marketing. But you're probably wondering, how do I actually promote it? That's what's step number 2. Now that you've got your offer, we're going to build an affiliate funnel. I use a software called ClickFunnels, which allows us to quickly build these affiliate funnels out. Now here's a breakdown of how affiliate funnels work. Typically, there's 2 parts. The first part is what we call the landing page, or an opt-in page, which captures an email address in exchange for a free guide or a free training that also pitches the product you're promoting. You may have heard of this referred to as a lead magnet. The second part, the thank you page, gives them the training and brings them over to the offer. To give you a better idea of an affiliate funnel and the manifestation, what it looks like, here's an example. Now, the cool thing about this funnel is that it has a nice little additional feature, which is a mini quiz right at the beginning. These mini quizzes are great because really it gets people super engaged before they see the offer. A lot of times a funnel will go right to the landing page and tries to get an email. And what's great that it gives you a chance to work. But for something like the manifestation niche, you really want people engaged in something about why they truly want to start off with a mini quiz is the perfect way to kick off this funnel. And here's how it works. The funnel starts off the quiz that pre-frames the customer and gets them engaged in what you're about to share with them. The second step is the opt-in page, where they give you their email address to get the results of their quiz. The last step is the results page, which gives them a quick read and directs them to the offer you're promoting with a lot more information and a pitch to the product you're promoting, which is, in this case, is Midas. So now that you have your offer, we have an affiliate funnel built. It's time to move to step 3, and that is following up with an email. This is super important, especially in the manifestation niche. Let's say I'm a visitor and I take the quiz and I opt into your email list, but don't end up buying the Midas offer. Maybe I'm just not in the right frame of mind. It's possible I found your ad while doing a million other things, and I'm not really thinking about manifesting new things into my life. In a niche like this, you really need to be in tune and in the right frame of mind for it to actually work. So having the ability to send emails allows you to get people in tune. It helps you follow up consistently with valuable content and offers, not just the Midas offer. One of the biggest ways to succeed as an affiliate marketer is to have multiple products that you're promoting. If you can only make money from one product, you're probably going to fail. If you can make money from multiple products, you have a much higher chance of succeeding. And this makes sense. There's no company out there that sells just one product. As an affiliate marketer, though, it's tempting to think you can build an entire business around promoting just one product. And this puts a cap on how much you can make, limiting your levels of success. For this reason is why I joined with the Partner with Anthony program, which I've linked in the description. The PWA program is designed for beginners, those who are brand new to this whole affiliate marketing thing. The PWA program offers you a partner with Anthony Morrison, who has a proven track record in the affiliate marketing space. The first part of the program is all about email marketing, building your email list, and creating sales funnels, much like I showed you earlier. Then again, you're actually continued to give access to the Partner with Anthony program alongside with other digital products. The cool thing is that because you first purchased PWA, you get the commissions for those purchases. This makes it a true partnership because Anthony is the one teaching and selling. You're just the one collecting the commissions. Now, this truly is the value of an ecosystem, which very few companies have built into their affiliate programs. So if you want to start in the new age of affiliate marketing, you'll want to click the link below in the description section, which will get you started in the Partner with Anthony program. This gives you the opportunity to earn multiple commissions and recurring revenue, all while helping you build your email list. Now, after you've clicked that link, make sure that you like this video and hit the subscribe button. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.